Today, let's learn English while making a cake. First, take a clean bowl and add flour in it. Next, add some sugar to the bowl. Now, add 1 spoon of baking powder. Next, pour in the milk. Pour it slowly. Now, add some oil. Next, add vanilla extract. It smells sweet. Wonderful. Now, whisk everything together. Pour the batter slowly into the cake pan. Put the cake in the oven to bake. Take the cake out with proper gloves. Look at the cake. It is golden brown, looks soft, and delicious. Well done. Subscribe for such daily English learning videos. Do leave a like if the video helped you learn something today.